In this video, I will show you how to recharge your MTN MiFi router. Let me show you how. Open up your browser. Then go ahead and click on search Google right here. Just type in shop.mtn.ng and hit enter. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the slider from the top. Then here you go. Proceed to data bundles. Then go ahead and select MiFi bundles right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Choose your plan options right here. So let's say, for instance, you are on a 30 gig monthly broadband, and then you can simply click on your broadband options right here, read the details right here, and come down below right here. Type the number of your MiFi router right here. Once you type, proceed to buy now and make your payment. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.